Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. And guys, yes, I'm heading to work now because I work nights. You can make it in the morning, however and whenever you want. All right guys, this is good for breakfast, lunch, dinner, to give you energy, packed with lots of health benefits, lots of vitamins, yes. And my Irish mash over here have lots of fiber, antioxidants, good for cancer, for high blood pressure, for cholesterol, for diabetes, good for digestion, to clean your skin, clean your colon, good health remedy. All right guys, welcome back again to the healthier side of things, and I'm gonna get into this smoothie. All right, you can make it however you want. I have some frozen mangoes here. I got them from Jamaica, and I just peel them, freeze them, and you can store them for over a year or whenever. This mango is so sweet guys. It's Julie mango. I just cut piece sometimes and I just eat it for a snack, for a treat. All right, and I have my pineapple. I bought them on sale. I peel them, cut them up, freeze them, and it can last a year. You can freeze the banana as well, but somehow I like my banana fresh. It gives me a fresh taste. And now the trick to it guys, look here, jiggly jiggly, my Irish mash or sea moss gel. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon. You can opt this, okay, it's optional, but I want my thing to be a little bit more healthier, so I add that in. You can go back and watch my previous video. So I wash it, soak it, boil it, strain it, and store it in the refrigerator. And I'm gonna add some almond milk. All right guys, that's it to my smoothie. So this smoothie is mango, pineapple, banana smoothie with a little bit of Irish mash. I'm gonna add the bananas, everything all at once. All right, pineapples. Ooh, piece drop guys, 1 second, I have to take it up. Ooh, rinse it off. Wait. Now you can waste. What's your problem?
Screaming.
I'm not screaming. I have to save my pineapple. I'm adding my pineapple, not wasting it. And this mango is super sweet. It's about a cup or half cup. Add that in. Go in. And my Irish mash. Now I'm gonna add my almond milk. You can add soy milk, whatever you want. My son said I'm extra guys. Can you believe that? Am I extra, Amir? Am I extra, Sonny?
Sonny said yes.
No, you said yes. My kids said I'm extra guys because I screamed too much. The cork fell and I said whoo, and he said I'm extra. Anyhow guys, I'm gonna pour a cup, and you know he gonna drink some guys. That's it. My kids guys, they're a handful, but I love them to death. All right, we're gonna blend up this thing. You can add a little honey if you want, but guys, my banana and my mango from Jamaica is super sweet, so no honey around here today. All right, I'm leaving the honey for next blending. Guys, we're gonna blend it on high. My Ninja is awesome. There you go. And that's it guys, look how creamy and nice. Now I'm gonna serve up some. All right guys, let's serve up this bad boy. Oh my goodness, I can tell this is gonna be amazing. Let me taste it. Yes Lord, yes. Guys, look at it. I love it. I'm gonna have my son taste it. Oh my goodness, look at that guys. Woo. Yes. It's heaven. All right my peeps, so this is the final result, my yummy delicious smoothie. Yes guys, I hope you like it. Please try it. You can leave out or add whatever you want to your smoothie. Really healthy, really delicious and nice. So guys, this is the final result. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. One love and be blessed. Wow guys, this is amazing. All right, Amir, can you taste it for me? Take it and taste it. There. My son is tasting it, guys, but he said not on camera. So, go ahead. Come here now. I'm not going to put your face in it. Come closer. So, he's tasting it, guys. Taste it. How is it? It's really good, eh?
Yeah, it's not too sweet too.
I didn't put any honey in it, just the sweet from the mango and from the banana.
Really refreshing.
Yeah. All right. My son said it's really good, guys. All right. Love upon me and I love upon you. Bye, guys.